For this problem, we're going to be comparing the numbers 5 2/3 with the square root of 29. I listed out some of the symbols we could use here with less, greater than, and then less than. We could add an equal to for the greater than or equal to, and the less than or equal to. I don't know about you, but I like to let my calculator do all the hard work for me. So I'm going to show you what I type in my calculator, which my calculator is on my phone. So I'm going to type in this 5 2/3 piece first and get a decimal for it. All I do is type in the 5, and then I have to add. Notice I'm going to use a parentheses around my 2/3. Now you'll see that I wrote that fraction with a division sign. It's the easiest way for the calculator to understand it, but be sure that plus is very important between them. And I'm just going to press enter. Obviously, we get a decimal. We were kind of expecting that. Just going to write some decimals down here. And then we'll look at the square root of 29. Now for the square root, let's look at our keyboard a little bit. You're going to see that the square root is right here in blue. So to access that, I've got to use second and then that square root. Second and the square root. Notice what my calculator puts on my screen there. So it's just waiting for that number underneath. And of course, I'm going to type the 29 there. Press enter, and I get 5.385. So let's write that down. All right, so if you remember back to elementary school, the alligator mouth, right, opens to the biggest number. So it's got to open to this one. They're not equal to, so I don't add the equal to sign underneath